So does anonymity provide an opportunity to tell the truth, or does it provide an opportunity to exaggerate or report inaccurately? The answer is yes, it does both. Think about an anonymous workplace survey. This is a great way to get feedback that you otherwise wouldn't see, for better and for worse. WikiLeaks, great example of a way to get information that you otherwise wouldn't get, right? Now think about a social platform like a Twitter or a Reddit, which has anonymous users, pseudonymous users, bots, malicious users, and authenticated users. These platforms are much more complicated than the distinction between anonymous survey versus identified survey. Social acceptability biases and the biases of the algorithm. So we reward people that go viral. Negative things tend to go viral because of human psychology. So what happens is that mining data from these sources will have biases. In particular, you will see exaggerated and highly negative stories dominate. Still, there's a role for all of this stuff, right? In an ideal world, we could get the anonymous data and the identified data in mined form and in survey form and observational study. So when it comes to an application of Laterally, I have open sourced my observational data, meticulous notes from my job search. So this is going to dominate any sort of survey, whether anonymous or not, for the purpose of modeling the job search outcomes. And when we think about the Prestige Arena is this new feature on Laterally where you can vote like a ELO leaderboard, similar to the Limsys Arena. And you can vote on different companies, you can vote on skills. Do you think TypeScript is more important than C#, for example? This leaderboard on Laterally reports guest votes and registered user votes. So unlike other data sources, you can actually see both. And so we actually don't need to debate whether anonymous is better. I think there are biases that lead to different results, but the most insightful thing to do is to see both, right? And so now you can very clearly see, well, that's biased that way, that's biased in the other way, and you get a much better picture because you can see both. So I hope you will value the information Laterally has to offer over Reddit, whether we're talking about the observational job search data or the Prestige leaderboard. That feature has shipped and rolled out. So go check it out, go vote. The more votes, the more samples. That will definitely make the thing more accurate. You can vote as a guest or you can sign up and vote as a registered user, whatever you prefer.